Hey there, chess enjoyers! Today we're going to continue to explore the exciting chess world, diving into the deep area of chess theory, or to be more specific, the middle game. A chess match can be divided into three different parts or three different categories, starting with at first the opening, followed by the middle game, and finally the end game. Therefore, I was asked in the comments in one of my other videos by whether I can teach you how to play after the opening of a chess game. Many chess players, especially chess beginners, deal with the problem that after they run out of book moves, so after they have played the main lines and main moves of an opening, they don't know what to do now and they don't have a plan for their further development and for the further game. In this video, I will therefore exactly show you how to create a plan. You will have a step-by-step guide of how to create a plan after the opening of a chess match. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and activate the announcement bell so you won't miss any more videos on this channel. Thank you very much. Step 1. Identify your position. Once you're out of the opening, it's really the key to take a step back and evaluate the position that you're right now in. Here, important things and areas to look at on the chessboard are, for instance, your pawn structure, the development of your chess pieces, the safety of your king, the control of the most important place, the center of the chessboard, and so on and so on. So by answering these questions and checking on these things, you will really start to understand what you should aim for in the further development of this chess match, and you'll also get a sense of strengths and weaknesses that you and also your opponent have both on the board. Step 2. Create a plan. Your plan should be based on the position that you've just evaluated in the first step of this step-by-step guide. Here are 3 ideas to think about when you are trying to create a plan for your middle game and for the further development of your chess game. The first one is improve pieces activity. Look for pieces that aren't doing much on your side of the chessboard and think about how you can place them on better and more active squares. For example, here you could replace a knight to an outpost or to another better square, or you could also remove a rook to another square where it controls a very important file on the chessboard. Furthermore, look for pawn breaks, especially in the center of the chessboard, with the intention to advance your pawns and create more wider and open files for your other chess pieces and for their development. And additionally, or to be more specific, finally, my third aspect is to target weaknesses of your opponent. Are there any areas or squares or pieces of your opponent that are weak right now in this position? Try to focus your attacks on those areas of your, opponent's weaknesses. Maybe when you hear all of these tips, you still feel overwhelmed by the big amount of choice and the big amount of possible moves that you could play, from which you have to choose the best one. And here my advice is to just zoom in a bit and divide the game into smaller, more overlookable parts. Just look at your position and think a bit. What could I do right now? So what could I play with the intention to just improve my position a bit? Always just go step by step, and by every move try to improve your position. And here it's really important to consider what your opponent could possibly answer to your moves. And you do this, you think a bit, you consider your possible moves, you choose the best one, and you just improve your position slowly, step by step. But now let's move on to step 3, keeping flexibility. A crucial and very important part of the middle game is to stay flexible on the chessboard. You don't need to rush or force anything right away. Sometimes a simple move, as for example, moving your chess piece to a better and more powerful square, can already force unintentionally your opponent to a mistake, to a game-changing and very crucial mistake. Therefore, just try to maintain a solid position while keeping all of your options open. You don't need to have a strict plan already at the beginning of your chess match or of the middle game that you will follow strictly throughout the whole development of this chess match. Just be patient and keep your options open and keep looking for ways to improve your position step by step and getting closer, always step by step closer to a better position on the chessboard. So to recap, after your opening, focus on these 3 key ideas and key steps. At first, you have to evaluate your specific position. Then you try to create a plan that can actually always change throughout the development of a chess match. And finally, you just have to stay flexible to the position as the game unfolds. Remember, chess is about making small and consistent efforts and improvements to your position. Keep patience, always stay patient and powerful in yourself, and the better you understand the position, the better your creative plan of the middle game will become. I really hope that this step-by-step guide helped you to find a way of creating and designing your middle game plans. If you feel that a practical example of a chess match had been needed, where I would have shown you a real game where the step-by-step process of creating a plan would have been demonstrated better, feel free to give me feedback down there in the comments, because I'm always open for new topics and for new, topics for my chess videos. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and leave a like if you like this video. Until next time, bye!